Good morning, Quadcopter 101, and what I got for you today is another review of the HT006 GPS watch from Hubsan. Now, since my last review, some people have asked, and I'm interested in this also, if this watch will actually work with the Hubsan H502E. Why is that important? Well, this is their cheapest GPS model. This thing is well under 100, and sometimes you can, if you look, you find it well under 60 dollars these days. It's very inexpensive, and if it would work with this watch, the combination of the two would be excellent, because you'd have a follow me system for under $100. So you know a GPS follow me drone for under 100. That's unheard of right now. In the future, I'm sure, a couple years from now, people say, everybody does that now. But right now, that's a big deal. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just go right into demonstrating it. If you want to see how all the buttons work on this watch, look at my previous review of the HT006 that I flew with the H501A. This flight here is strictly demonstration. I'm just going to go right into it. First, I'm going to put the watch in bind mode. Remember to do that. You only need to do this once. I did it once at home, but I'm just doing it to remind you folks. You press the photo button, hold it down, while also pressing and holding down the on-off button, and you should get a buzz and a beep on the watch. Here, I have to put it down to do such. Holding down that button and pressing that button. There we go. And you get a bunch of flashing lights, rapidly flashing lights, telling you it's in bind mode. Then you turn on the quadcopter by plugging it in, making sure red. And at the same time closing up the door on the quadcopter. All these little Hubsans I have a hard time getting the door shut. Okay, we got to put it on the ground first. Let the gyro sink, and then it should bind to the watch here shortly. There. The flashing is slowed down, and it's stopped. And right now the green flashing lights are solid, meaning we have good connection between the drone and the watch. And now the GPS lights are flashing, meaning that the watch and the drone are looking for GPS signal. But while we're doing this right now, this aircraft should be in bind mode right now, with the lights going around in a clockwise circle, and they are, which means we got to do the compass calibration. You do a horizontal rotation first until the lights start blinking front and back, front, back. Are they doing that yet? Nope, they're still alternating. So keep rotating clockwise until they do such. There we go. And then you put it in vertical until the lights become solid. Stop blinking. With the nose down. And there we go. Solid lights. So, compass is calibrated. Now we're waiting for GPS, and right now the drone, we got GPS lock on the watch. We're waiting for GPS lock on the drone. Right now its light is blinking. I don't know if you can see that or not, folks, but once that light goes solid, we are good to go. So we're going to wait here. It could take about another minute, and hold on. There we go. We got GPS lock. Okay, now for takeoff, remember folks, we got to hold down, we got to arm the quadcopter first by pressing into the altitude hold dial. You press into it to arm the quadcopter, and that starts up the motors. And to take off, we press the up-down button and hold it. And to start the video camera, we press and hold the video camera button until I get a buzz. Got a buzz? So we should have video going on right now. Let me get in the camera here. Get in view of the camera and say, how do you like my shirt today, folks? Okay, let's go right into it. Does follow me work? Pressing the direction dial, you press into the direction dial and that activates follow me. And let's see if it does it. Will it follow me? I had a buzz. It doesn't seem to be following me. Let's press it again. Let's press it one more time and see if it activates follow me. I get the buzz on my watch. That's a shame. It doesn't appear to work, folks, unfortunately. You can only, fly it with the watch, but follow me feature does not seem to work. Let's go up a bit higher. Increasing altitude, wrong way. Going up a bit higher. How about circle me? Pressing circle me. Does it circle my position? Looks like it's doing something. No. Doesn't circle either. So in effect, all you can do with the watch is actually fly it. It doesn't, the advanced features of follow me and circle me does not work. Well, with that in mind, let's just fly over the area. Pressing forward. And watching it go by. We'll go out behind a bit. Over the desert. And let's increase its altitude. We'll go up. There it goes up. We'll go up to about, right about there. And let's rotate the area. Slow rotate, trying to slow rotate. What's the slowest rotation I can get out of this thing? It's about it. So we'll do a rotate, show the camera of the quadcopter. You can still use this with the H502E just to fly it. But follow me and circle me do not appear to work with it, unfortunately. Okay, with that in mind, let's do an automatic return to home. Holding down the return to home button, let's see where it goes. Does it come to me or does it come to the launching pad? Looks like where is it going? It's going back to the launching pad. Okay, with that, the H501A goes back to the watch. This appears to go back to the launching pad. Let me get over there because I want to put this under the quadcopter so its gears don't get sand on it when it lands. And there you go. So now we know. That's unfortunate. Let me turn off the camera too. Camera off and motor's off by bringing this down. Actually, if you bring both of these dials down at the same time, that does an emergency stop, or it should. There you go. So now we know. Those drones that don't already have follow me capability, this does not give those drones that follow me feature. You have to have a follow me drone to use the follow me feature with the watch. The watch can fly the drone, as you can see here. So if you want, not carry around the little controller with it, you can use the watch with it. But follow me and circle me do not work with this. So, unfortunately. But now we know. Okay, Quadcopter 101. I hope you enjoyed this flight. Quadcopter 101, signing out.